The diesel engines of tomorrow need to have reduced emissions, lower maintenance, and higher fuel economy. That's why we created the LeefH2. The LeefH2 can be easily configured on any diesel engine to lower emissions and increase fuel efficiency. The LeefH2 creates hydrogen on demand using a small amount of water. The hydrogen enters the intake of the engine, mixing with the air. The hydrogen-enriched air enters the combustion chamber, helping the fuel to burn more completely. This improves fuel economy and reduces emissions, especially when idling. The LeefH2 minimizes the common maintenance problems diesel engines have with existing emissions control systems. It reduces the amount of particulate matter leaving the combustion chamber. Engines with EGR systems will have less soot recirculating throughout the engine, including the oil pan. Engines with DPF filters will have less particulate matter traveling to the exhaust, which extends the life of each filter. Engines with the LeefH2 require less time and money to maintain, so the technology pays for itself in 180 days or less. In addition to making engines more efficient and better for the environment, the LeefH2 helps the planet by releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, producing even more oxygen than the average tree. Contributing to a healthier environment and saving money is now possible. Schedule a complimentary consultation to learn how you can help diesel engines get the LeefH2, the future of clean combustion.